How to fix your spacebar key is not working on your computer or laptop. Now the first thing you'll need to do is right click on the start button and then open up the settings. Now if you are in Windows 11, you should click on accessibility category. Otherwise you want to search for accessibility here and then click on ease of access keyboard settings. And you want to make sure that the sticky keys is turned off from here, as well as the use filter keys is also turned off. Next, you will need to right click on the start button and then open up the device manager. And from here, you want to expand the keyboards and make sure to select your main keyboard device. You can do the same if you have multiple entries. You can do the same thing for each of those entries. Now right click on it and then click on update drivers and try to search automatically for drivers. And if it says that you already have the best drivers installed, you want to go back and then click on browse my computer for drivers and then click on let me pick. Now select the main keyboard device, click on next and wait for it to install it. And you could do the same for each of these entries. And once you're done, now you'll simply need to restart your computer by going to the start menu, power, and then restart. And after the computer restart, this should usually solve the problem. And if the issue persists, you want to go back to settings and this time go to update and security. And from here, make sure that you check and install the latest updates available for your operating system. And then just restart your system to install those updates, and this might fix the problem for you. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you on the next one.